Get your piece of the multi-billion-dollar e-commerce pie. Inside, you'll discover how to create, stock, and market your own online shop. If you're looking to make money online, e-commerce is one of the best ways to add to your current business profits or to build your very own 6- or 7-figure online business from scratch. In the early days of e-commerce, some people were a little hesitant about spending money online. But over the years, things have changed a lot. Just look at Amazon and eBay. If you haven't bought or sold for yourself on one of these online marketplaces, there's no doubt you've heard of Amazon and eBay. They've become household names, to the extent that now almost everyone shops online. In fact, on Cyber Monday, the Monday following the popular shopping holiday Black Friday, sales are climbing year after year. For example, in 2014, on Cyber Monday, online sales totaled $2.59 billion that one day. And in 2015, Cyber Monday sales increased to $3.19 billion. That's a massive year-over-year increase, and proof that e-commerce is growing every single day. It's obvious that the time to get started with e-commerce is now. There are regular everyday people that have never made any money online before, using e-commerce to build 6- and 7-figure businesses. When compared with other online money-making methods, this is much easier. You're providing real value in the form of physical products, and the margins are much better than other online money-making methods. Whether you've already got an offline business that you're looking to expand, or you're looking for a way to make money online from scratch, e-commerce is the way to go. But you can't just jump in, open a store, and start making thousands of dollars with e-commerce. Although e-commerce is a simple method for making money online, there is a process you must follow if you want to get results. When you do things the right way, you can quickly scale to a solid 6- or even 7-figure online income. But most people just try to wing it with e-commerce and end up making a lot of mistakes. If you do things the wrong way, you can easily find yourself spinning your wheels, wasting a lot of time, and ultimately never making the kind of money you could make if you did things the right way. To make sure you get the best results with e-commerce, you need someone that's seen success with e-commerce to show you the roadmap to success. You need a proven step-by-step plan for success. Although there are a lot of guides and training floating around online these days about making money with e-commerce, most of it is outdated, or just not accurate information. That's why I've put together the ultimate step-by-step guide to making money with e-commerce that will show you how to get started the right way and make a lot of money in the process. Inside the ultimate guide to e-commerce success, you'll learn how to get started with e-commerce today, even if you've never made a purchase online yourself. Why now is the time to get started with e-commerce and position yourself for big profits. How to find products that will sell like crazy. The best platforms to use to set up your first e-commerce store, even if you don't have any technical skills. The key to a store that people feel comfortable buying from. The simple add-ons to your site that will double or even triple your sales with just a few clicks of your mouse. The fastest way to get traffic to your online store and start making money. Plus a whole lot more. You'll walk away from this step-by-step guide to e-commerce success with everything you need to quickly start making money with e-commerce. Nothing has been left out of this step-by-step guide to e-commerce success. You'll be able to use this to start making money even if you've never made a penny online before. You don't have a website of your own right now. You don't have a following or a subscriber list of any kind. You currently don't have any kind of product ideas. Or you're not tech savvy. None of these things matter at all. When you follow what's inside this guide to success with e-commerce, you have everything you need to start making money as soon as this week. And you'll get everything you need to take that business to the next level. It's very possible to use what you learn inside this guide to make 6 or 7 figures from your brand new e-commerce business within just a few short months. And unlike almost all business opportunities out there that require a substantial investment to get started, you don't need much money at all to get started with e-commerce. It's one of the few ways to make money where the little guy still has a chance. But the best part about this guide is the price. Although you have everything you need to quickly ramp up your income to 6 figures and beyond, you won't pay anywhere near that today. And for a very limited time, you'll get the opportunity to get your hands on this at a massive discount. Less than what you'd spend on a dinner out. To get started and lock in your special pricing, click the Add to Cart button below.